Hello everyone and welcome to Book Talks. This week we are focusing on STEM books, so anything with science, technology, engineering, and making. So here we go. The first book is Minecraft Hacks by Megan Miller. So this is a series of Minecraft books. This one is specifically focused on master building, so building within Minecraft, but there's a bunch of other Minecraft books out there in Sora, so check them out. This one has the updated Minecraft, the 1.2, the World of Color update, and has step-by-step guides on how to build things like underwater houses, pirate ships, maybe even a castle. So if you are a super big player in Minecraft, I would definitely recommend reading these books to see how you can be better at it. And then maybe make money off of it. Next book is DIY Make It Happen YouTube Channel Edition by Virginia Lohagan. So, are you stuck at home and bored and really tired of this pandemic? Try making a YouTube channel. Or if you have a YouTube channel, read this book to make it more successful and get YouTube famous. So this is a how-to guide. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how to make a successful YouTube channel and how to interact with your community on YouTube. The third book we have is Maker Lab by Jack Coliner. So this is made for teens. The foreword by Jack Andraka. Jack Andraka is a teen inventor, so this was built with teens in mind. You use items from around your house, and you can create 28 super cool projects. So we have rubber band planets, kaleidoscopes, monster marshmallows, and a lot more. So if you're bored and want to do something fun in between your days at school in front of a screen, try this book. Now this is my favorite one. It is Pink is for Blobfish by Jess Keating. Jess Keating is a zoologist, and they explore how nature makes the color pink dangerous. So this is a great picture book for you and your siblings, and it walks through how we think of pink as pretty princess and really super nice and gentle. This turns the color pink on its head and makes it dangerous. So you follow all of these different things in nature that are pink and slightly dangerous or interesting, like the blobfish on the title picture. And then we have Make Planes, Gliders, Paper Rockets by Rick Schertle and James Floyd. So this book includes PDF templates on how to build everything that it's explaining to you. You can learn about airflow, gravity, torque, power, ballistics, pressure, force by creating a catapult, helicopter, foam air rockets, a bunch of different versions of rockets, sled kites, and more. So this is a fun thing to do before winter, before it gets cold. So try that out. And these are all the books that are available on Sora. So just go to Clever, click on Sora, and check them out.